Hello friends, welcome back on my channel. In this Excel video, I am going to show you how you can change your background color of Excel sheet. Here you will see the background color in a sheet. Similarly, I also have a simple sheet here. I have added a background image to this sheet. So how did I do it? It's a very simple method. In this video I will tell you the complete method. Before starting the video, subscribe to the channel if you are not already on it. Be sure to like and share the video. So let's start today's video. Friends, if you want to add a background image to a simple sheet like this, then you will first go to the page layout. Then click on background. As soon as you click on the background, these three options will open in front of you to see where you want to add the picture. Because I want to insert a picture from my PC, I will click on from file and select the picture I want to upload from my PC. The black color of the text doesn't look good. We'll make it white so it looks good. To change the text color, first we will select the entire sheet. Then go to the Home tab, and from here we will change the text color to white. So you can see that the background color of my Excel sheet has changed. So by following the same method, you can now change the background of your Excel sheet. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.